These changes are very much desired, and I think it was high time that Avenger went through some kind of changes. Uh, this marks a differentiation of these bikes on the road now, especially the street, which actually looks very contemporary, and it goes with what customers actually want. The Avenger was always a good a bike which had good handling, but I think the changes in the street with the narrower handle makes it even more easier to ride within the city. I am particularly impressed with the 150. I think at that price, it's bang on value for money. You can't ask for more. It has got attitude, loads of style, and it's very refined. That was one thing which came out very well. I feel that the padding of the seats is a little denser, so probably on longer rides this will help more. As far as the handles are concerned, yes, now there is a clear distinction between what is supposed to be a city or a street bike and what is supposed to be a long distance cruiser. I think the 150 would appeal to the the first time bikers a lot. Okay, there is affordable, it's fun to drive, it's refined. The 220 Street will appeal to the buyers who want a little more of fun in their biking, who ride more within the city, and the cruise is typically for people who always hit the highway. So, and it suits the highway more. The Avengers had its niche always, and with the new refinements and upgrades, it's taken a step further.